Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. We'll present the last chapter of this subject, and the title is Tires or Vehicle Tires. Before we start, let me introduce first our first group, our group members, and then the first members is me, Muhammad Hizrian bin Shafi'i, and then the matric number is BS07171016. Second members is Ahmad Shukri bin Haris, matric number is BS07171002. And then third members is Khairil Azhar bin Alias, matric number is BS07171004. Okay, for the introduction, tires are important component that makes vehicle able to run safely and smoothly. On tire, we need to know about basic function of tires construction, size, and load rating. All of this information must be used before we install the tires on the vehicle, especially on the commercial vehicle such as van or lorry. If the specification is wrong, it will become a serious or major incident. Okay, now we go to the first journal that under me. The first journal is a study on estimation method of the force on vehicle tires for ESC system. This journal are published on 22 September 2019, and the methodology, this journal have three method. The first method is the vehicle force of tire, and then the second method is the lateral force of tire, and the third method is the longitudinal force of tire. For the first test, they do distribution ratio of the whole vehicle mass on each wheel when the vehicle is in steady state. The second test, they test on the extreme condition of vehicle when the side slip angle and the lateral force of the tire are very large. For the third test, the longitudinal force of the tire is large, the rolling resistance when vehicle drive in acceleration and braking condition. From this test, they make a result, and the result they build of estimation model. The tire force estimation model is divided into three parts, and the three parts is the vertical force of tire, the lateral force of tire, and the longitudinal force of tire. From these three tests, they simulate according to the test of vehicle driving on the two road condition with high and low addition. For the conclusion of this journal, there will be a lot of interference in vehicle sensor signal, and the test conditions are hardly to be controlled accurately during the road test in order to verify the feasibility of the estimated result in controlled environment. Hardware in loop (HIL) test has been conducted first. HIL test can check whether the system works properly and the logical relation of control logic is correct. And then we go to the next journal. The title is TPMS, Tire Position Monitoring System, but Tire Pressure Monitoring System, Tire Position Registration Algorithm using Acceleration and RSSI data. This journal are published on 8 July 2016, and the methodology also have three methods. The first method is tire position information extracted from x-axis acceleration data. It has acceleration sensor which can be used to monitor the tire dynamic. And then the second method is tire position information extracted from RSSI data. The RSI data is the value represent the power strength of a received signal. And then the third test or third method is the tire position registration algorithm. The algorithm which can determine position of tire by using two axes, acceleration and RSSI data. And then the result, they only measured on the x-axis acceleration data and measured z-axis acceleration data. For the conclusion, experiment result reveal that the right and left position is easily determined because the more the car speed up, the more variation between right and left tire x-axis acceleration data. However, the discrimination between the front tire and rear tire is slightly difficult. Thereby, RSSI data value and Z-axis acceleration data are used. So for next topic, next journal, I will pass to second presenter, Mr. Shukri bin Haris. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Thank you, Mr. Hizrian. Okay, first journal for me, title Adaptive Scheme for the Real-Time Estimation of Tire Root Friction, Coefficient and Vehicle Velocity. The name paper journal IEE ASME transaction on mechatronic volume 22, month year published August 2017. Three method to methodology. First, purpose algorithm characteristic. The purpose algorithm is introduce an improvement of its functionality. Second method, tire force examination. The tire for observes that the dose not required is significant. Computationally, burden is developed using vehicle. Third method, tire friction coefficient estimation should be estimated yearly enough within the stable area of the monthly curve sign the goal of the estimation. The result experimental, the data was collected at 200 Hz sampling frequency via CAN bus. Various declarations were conducted in order to verify the robustness of the developed algorithm. Okay, for the second journal for me, the title load estimation for intelligent tire equipped with acceleration sensor. The name of paper journal 2019 IEEE Sensor Application Symposium SAS. Month year published March 2019. Methodology two method estimation of contact angle. The contact angle can be yearly estimate from the acceleration sensor data of the intelligent tire. Second method, load estimation algorithm, the flexible rim tire model that the tire look was dominantly determined by contact angle and pressure. For the result, experimental in the indoor tests were performed with the look light, normal, heavy, and two velocity, slow, normal for each pressure level for 2 seconds. Results show that the tire look can be estimated even if the low pressure and speed change. Also, the error is less than 5% under all condition and show good performance. Okay, thank you. For the next slide, I pass to my partner, Mr. Azhar. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Shukri. Okay, now it's my turn to review two of my journals. The first one is the title of my journal. The rolling resistance is in passenger vehicle tires. The name of the journal, International Journal of Mechanical Engineering and Technology, short form IJMET, Volume 9, Issue 13. Years of published 13 December 2018. Okay, the methodology is based on research and experimental. Okay, before that, I would like to briefly explain about the rolling resistance in passenger vehicle tire. Vehicle fuel economy is affected by the rolling resistance. Therefore, fuel saving could be achieved by reducing tire rolling resistance. And the objective of the study is to find a way to reduce the level of rolling resistance of passenger vehicle tires without compromising performance and fuel efficiency. Uh, and methodology is by research and experimental. They're using the fishbone diagram in brainstorming season to focus conversation about all the possible cause for a problem, and they listed down 5 aspects that contribute to RR or rolling resistance, and they are design material, component, construction, and also method. For the result, uh, they're using the 205/65 R16 tires uh, to reduce the RR of existing tires by 300 grams minimum. A new design is proposed wherein the material gauge at shoulder region is reduced. Analyze condition to be followed. Inflation pressure 210 kilopascal, maximum load 552 kilogram, and speed 80 kilometer per hour. And to get the best performance of fuel economy using RR measurement, the user must maintain the correct or recommended tire inflation pressure and avoid overspeeding and overloading. And for the conclusion, the RR of tire with respect to fuel economy at vehicle in additional to reduce in the CO2 emission by way of reducing the RR value of tire. Okay, for my next journal, okay, the title of my journal is Motor Vehicle Tire Ecosystem in Malaysia, and this is a status review. Okay, the name of the journal is Journal of Society of Automotive Engineers, Malaysian Volume 3, Issue 3, and the year of published is 3 August 2019. Okay, the methodology is by research. Okay, the study was conducted over 3 stages: literature review on field technical visit, stakeholder engagement, and in-depth interview with relevant professionals related to the field of study. And the ecosystem was categorized into 6 scope of interest: tire production, sales and distribution, important, certification, retreat process, and tire scraping. And research from these 6 period session, and they are certification, importation, production, sales and distribution, retarding and scraping. Okay, the result in increased monitoring and quality control from government agencies including SIRI, Royal Malaysian Custom, Ministry of Domestic Trade, Cooperative and Consumerism, and environmental department, and focus on product from within Malaysia. And for the conclusion, I would like to conclude that there are 2 major parts in use in Malaysia tire to comply the properties in tire modeling, and they are tire structure and tire and tread. Okay, for the properties, they are divided into 2, and they are attractive properties and cornering properties. Okay, the definition of attractive property, they are the effect on acceleration and braking. The force are generated by producing differential between tire rolling speed and speed of travel. And another one is definition of cornering properties, where in the taking a corner or turn, the lateral load on tire introduce a slip angle. Okay, that's all from me. Okay, thank you.